This video will show you how to access the Minecraft tutorial, where you will learn to play the game and how to navigate in a Minecraft world. After signing in with your @CapelliSD account, tap Play. Tap Create New. Tap Templates. Tap Minecraft Tutorial Touch. Tap Create New. Keep the game settings as they are and tap Play. As you work through the tutorial, you will encounter people. These are called NPCs, or non-player characters, and you will also encounter signs. These NPCs and these signs will give you instructions on how to play the game. To have the text read to you, just tap on the text and an icon with a book and a speaker will appear. Tap on that icon. This will open Immersive Reader, where you can tap the play button to hear the text read aloud. Tap the back button to return to the game. Continue to work through the tutorial to find the different ways to navigate the worlds. You don't have to finish the game all at once. Tap the pause button when you're ready to leave the game. Tap Save and Exit. If you are sure you want to save and exit, then click Save and Exit again. When you are ready to return to the tutorial, tap View My Worlds. You will see the Minecraft tutorial saved to your worlds, and you can return to play at any time.